Yeah, it's interesting because you say you think the stock market's going to go up, dollar's going to go down, as well as energy going down. Because normally, I guess when dollar goes down, it benefits commodities. Is that just that there's, the US is bringing out so much oil, they're sort of extracting so much oil, or is this more a demand issue, or why do you think it's going to continue to go down?
Yeah, I think it's both. It's definitely our production is up, and I think basically worldwide, the demand supply demand situation shows that I don't know if it's a glut of oil, but there's certainly an excess of oil out there, despite everybody believing the opposite for so long. I mean, and I think it speaks to the fact that underlying, no matter what statistics you look at, underlying those statistics, we have a weak global economy. So, and that's why I think ultimately we're going to have a global bust, but not in the first several months of this year. The first several months of this year, you're going to be able to believe things are okay economically and very good inflation and interest rate wise. And like I said, oil, the proof is in the pudding. The OPEC, how many times has OPEC tried to, um, jawbone it down or convince people that they're cutting production and going to get prices up? And what happens? It used to be they get a couple month reaction out of that, or at least a month. Now they're lucky if they get a couple day reaction out of it because people realize the picture is that there's not enough demand for the supply that's out there.